Hello everyone, Techie Dheeraj here. Today we are gonna solve LeetCode challenge problems. There is some challenge going on LeetCode, so I thought I should give it a try. So let's just see the problems. So these are the starting problems of the challenge. So there is a like single number we have to find given on empty array of integers. Every element appears twice except one. Okay, so find a single one. So these are the numbers and only single occurrence we have to find. Like here for each. So it's quite easy problem. Let's just I'm using C++ to solve this problem. So I'm just XORing it. So as we already know how XOR works. So if I XOR the same number, uh, if I XOR into two, so it will result into zero. So at the end, we will only be left with the single occurrence. It's quite an easy problem. So I just have to return. So let's just test our code. Yeah, so result passed. So let's submit it. So it's accepted, as you can see. Okay, so I don't think I need to explain anything in this. We did not took any extra memory. It's just a simple variable. We are not taking any extra memory and just we are XORing the numbers and it's giving us the single occurrence. So it's quite a simple approach to do this. And we can also do different things. We can just count the numbers also, right? So because these are in the pairs, so these all will be divided by like these are all the pairs, right? So it will be divided by 2. So we can count these numbers and also we will be left with the, if it's not divisible by 2, only number, then we can find the single occurrence. That also we can do, but XOR is doing that job for us. So let's go to the second problem. So this is the second problem, happy number writing algorithm. To determine if number n is happy, a happy number is a number defined by a process starting with any positive integer. Replace the number by sum of the square of its digit and repeat the okay till we find 1. And if loop endlessly cycle does not include 1, those number okay. So we have to this is if 19 is given, so 1 9, and it will result into 1 square plus 9 square 82, and then divide 8 into 2 into okay. So we have to keep on dividing the numbers till we find the 1. Okay, so first of all we have to find the squares, right? So let's write a separate function for that. And find some. Okay, so if while this is running, we can just let's we have the sum here. So if I just find, first we have to find the one digit. Okay, and okay, so if I just do plus is equal to, we have to return the sum, right? So it's digit into digit, right? If I do this just this, then it should work, and just here we will return the sum, right? Then we can just simply, so to remove the occurrence, because this process will keep on going till it finds the 1, right? So there may be endless loop also, that's as they are claiming it. So we have to find that. So what we have to do, we have to store this number sum, so that whenever the same occurrence comes again, so we will not falling into the loop. So I'm taking a set for that to check. Um, we can just take a set. Okay, so this will be keep on going. We can just simply return, or we can just okay. So so we can just call this function find sum, and we are getting okay. So we can just look into our hash set, and we can use count function, count API of the hash set. If this returns 1, so count will tell us how many occurrences are there. As we know, set is just a single key only, it contains single value. So if there is any duplicate comes again, so we don't have to process that, and we can just simply return. Because if there is any duplicacy in the this sequence of numbers, then it will never end, right? It will be endless. If it's not, then we can just run some here. Okay, and till the time, because it's going endlessly, we have to get it out. Or we can take in the same number, so that we don't have to overwrite the previous value. Okay, so if n is equal to 1, then it's true. Otherwise, we just going into the loop. It's just our code. Oh, sorry, we forgot to divide the number here, because we have to keep on finding the digit, right? So because here, if it's 19 comes, so I'm just finding the 1, and I'm doing the square of this, but we have to find the next digit also. So it will be till single digit. So we have to do this. That's why time got exited, because it is not ending. So we have to find this, and we found the answer true. Okay, let's submit this code. Okay, so there is some problem with this. Let's find out. Oh, sorry, we have to, because it's single digit, right? So I forgot to some plus. Yeah, accepted, as we can see, right? So that's all in this challenge. We'll continue with these challenges as coming in coming video. So that's all from my side. Thank you, guys.